Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English is My Life, the place where English becomes simple and easy. My name is Haley, and I'm your English teacher today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sam, and I'm learning English with you. Thank you for joining us again.
Yes, thank you for being here. Every time you listen, your English gets a little better, a little stronger. So stay with us, relax, and learn slowly with us.
And don't forget to follow and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new lessons.
Perfect. All right, Sam, are you ready for today's topic?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Today we will learn two big topics, family and colors. Very basic, very useful, very fun. And we will speak slowly, clearly, and repeat many times. Let's say hello again. Sam, say it with me. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you. Sam, today we start with colors. Colors are everywhere. Colors help us talk about clothes, objects, food, and everything around us.
Yes, colors are useful.
Let's learn the basic colors. Listeners, you can repeat after us. We will go slowly. Red,
Red,
blue,
blue,
yellow,
yellow,
green,
green,
orange,
orange,
pink,
pink,
purple,
purple,
black,
black,
white,
white,
brown.
brown.
Now, let's use colors in simple sentences. The apple is red.
The apple is red.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
The grass is green.
The grass is green.
My bag is black.
My bag is black.
My t-shirt is white.
My t-shirt is white.
Good job, Sam, and good job to everyone listening. Sam, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue
Blue. Nice. Why do you like blue?
because blue is calm. Blue is peaceful.
Wonderful answer. My favorite color is green. I love green because it feels fresh, like trees.
Green is a good color too.
Let's ask our listeners. What is your favorite color? If you want, you can say it out loud. Now we move to family. Family words are very important. We use them every day.
Yes, family is part of everyone's life.
Exactly. Let's learn family words one by one. Mother,
Mother,
father,
father,
parents,
parents,
brother,
brother,
sister,
sister,
grandmother,
grandmother,
grandfather,
grandfather,
family.
family.
My mother is kind.
My mother is kind.
My father is strong.
My father is strong.
My sister is funny.
My sister is funny.
My brother is tall.
My brother is tall.
My grandmother is sweet.
My grandmother is sweet.
My grandfather is smart.
My grandfather is smart.
Great work! Listeners, repeat as much as you like. Now we mix colors and family together. My mother has a red bag.
My mother has a red bag.
My father has a blue shirt.
My father has a blue shirt.
My sister likes pink.
My sister likes pink.
My brother likes green.
My brother likes green.
My grandmother has a white hat.
My grandmother has a white hat.
My grandfather has a brown coat.
My grandfather has a brown coat.
Sam, tell me about your family.
Sure, I have a mother, a father, and one sister.
And what colors do they like?
My mother likes yellow, my father likes black, and my sister likes purple.
Nice. Do you spend a lot of time together?
Yes, we often eat dinner together, and we talk, laugh, and enjoy time as a family.
That's beautiful. Family time is very important. Today we learned colors, red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, black, white, brown. Family words: mother, father, parents, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. We practiced phrases, sentences, and a small conversation to help beginners understand slowly and clearly. Now we will practice more, learn deeper, and speak a little longer, but still slow and easy.
Yes, don't worry. Everything is still simple. We repeat many times so you can understand and learn without stress.
Let's warm up with colors again. Sam, I'll say an object and you say the color. The sky,
Blue,
grass,
green,
a banana,
yellow,
a strawberry.
red,
Good. Now I will mix it. Listen carefully. A black phone,
a black phone,
a white cup,
a white cup,
an orange book,
an orange book,
a brown table.
a brown table.
Very nice. Listeners, if you want, you can say the objects with us. Repetition helps your brain remember. Now let's refresh family words. Ready?
Ready.
My mother,
My mother,
my father,
my father,
my brother,
my brother,
my sister,
my sister,
my grandmother,
my grandmother,
my grandfather.
my grandfather.
Great. Now let's put them into simple phrases. My mother cooks.
My mother cooks.
My father works.
My father works.
My brother plays.
My brother plays.
My sister studies.
My sister studies.
My grandmother smiles.
My grandmother smiles.
My grandfather reads.
My grandfather reads.
Now we make longer sentences. Still simple, still slow. My mother has a red dress.
My mother has a red dress.
My father has a blue car.
My father has a blue car.
My sister has a pink notebook.
My sister has a pink notebook.
My brother has a green backpack.
My brother has a green backpack.
My grandmother uses a white cup.
My grandmother uses a white cup.
My grandfather drinks from a brown mug.
My grandfather drinks from a brown mug.
Perfect! These sentences help you connect colors, family, objects, and actions. Very useful for everyday English. Sam, let's make a natural conversation using everything we learned.
Okay, let's do it.
Sam, tell me more about your family. What do they like? What do they do?
Sure. My mother likes yellow flowers. She loves flowers. Every morning, she waters her flowers.
That's sweet. What about your father?
My father likes black shirts. He wears black shirts almost every day.
Black is simple and classic.
Yes, and my sister likes purple. She loves purple things. Purple pens, purple bags, purple clothes.
Sounds like she really loves purple.
She does. And my grandmother likes white. She says white looks clean and peaceful.
That's lovely. White is a calm color.
And my grandfather likes brown. He says brown feels warm, like wood.
Wonderful description, Sam. Everyone listening, you can also think about your family. What colors do they like? What objects do they use? Now, Sam, let's practice describing people with color plus family plus actions. I want you to make full sentences. Tell me about your mother again. Use my mother likes, she.
My mother likes yellow. She waters yellow flowers every morning.
Great. Now your father.
My father likes black shirts. He wears a black shirt to work.
Excellent. Now your sister.
My sister likes purple. She studies with a purple pen.
Nice and simple. Your grandmother.
My grandmother likes white. She drinks tea from a white cup.
And your grandfather.
My grandfather likes brown. He reads a brown book in the afternoon.
Perfect sentences. Clean, clear, easy to understand. Now it's your turn, listeners. I will say a prompt and you say a sentence in your mind or out loud if you want. Mother plus red. Say a sentence. Father plus blue. Make a sentence. Sister plus pink. One more. Grandmother plus white. Good job. Grandfather plus brown. Last one.
You're doing amazing. Even if you speak slowly, that's okay. Step by step is how beginners grow.
Let's repeat colors again. Quick but clear. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, black, white, brown.
Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, black, white, brown.
One more time.
Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, black, white, brown.
Today we practiced colors, family members, simple sentences, longer natural conversation, descriptions, listening practice, repetition drills.
And we learned how to connect these ideas to talk about real life.
Exactly. This is the key. Small steps, simple vocabulary, everyday topics.
If you enjoyed this extended practice, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to English is My Life.
Thank you for listening. You did great today. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.